Good morning and welcome to my kitchen. Today for lunchtime I'm going to be making something that contains pinto beans, and because I was hungry for pinto beans this morning. So I decided to make a casserole using pinto beans as my main bean. We try to put beans into our lunchtime meals because we do not eat any meat, and beans give you a lot of protein and give you a lot of your vitamins and just different things that you need, and a lot of energy too. I've noticed when I eat beans, of either black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, whatever, I have a lot more energy that day and I'm not as hungry feeling. So anyway, this meal you can make for around $5, and it'll feed 4 or 5 people, 3 to 5 depending on your family and how much they eat. And what you do is you want to add a can of pinto beans, and don't drain them, just add them in there. A can of tomatoes of your choice. I can't wait till my tomatoes are all ripe in my garden, and then it'll be all fresh. A can of whole kernel corn. A can of potatoes. And you can also, if you have time and you want to peel some of all this stuff up and do it like that, you can do it like that too. But this is something fast. This is a fast meal and very cheap. And then the only can that I drained is my beans, because I got enough liquid with the other. So my beans were drained. Okay. And then add your cream style corn. I might have to get a bigger pan. So maybe it'll feed like 6. Let's see, I don't know if you can see that. But I was really hungry for, yes, you got it, cornbread. So, in making this casserole, and it's so easy to make, you put all that in there, and then you don't have to add anything to this because you're gonna dump it inside all that. Now I turned on my oven to 350, and then you just wanna mix this. Very easy meal to make, about $5 to make it. Very easy to make. Oh, that's turning out beautiful. It's turning out beautiful, everybody. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. You're gonna have a beautiful supper or dinner whenever you decide to make your food. And then I didn't spray my pan, but I usually spray my pan. Not too much spray. Just a little. This would be excellent for Sunday meal, especially if you go to church and you come home from church and you're so hungry. You could take and have this all ready to go and set your oven when you leave for church to turn on at 11, and you get home around 12, dinner's ready. Because you want to bake this for about an hour, uncovered in your oven. And like I said, I might have to get 2 pans out because I made a lot more than I had planned. Leave it uncovered. Then after you bake it for an hour, I'll show you what the outcome of it is. And at your dinner table, you can put some salsa out there with some tortilla chips or nacho chips of your favorite choice, or corn tortilla shells that you can just put in your oven and get them hard if you want them, or if you like them soft, you can have them soft next to this, and you got a wonderful dinner. And I was thinking of something like this for Father's Day. I think every father would like to have a meal, something like this. Also, to those that eat meat out there and you want meat with this, fry you up some ground beef and drain the fat off of it and add that to this, and you'll have your meat inside your casserole. Of course, it's going to cost you more, but you have a wonderful day, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Okay, so this is what my casserole looks like. Isn't that beautiful? Let me cut into it and show you a piece of it. Okay, then you just want to cut it. Oh, I don't know how big pieces that your family likes to eat. Ours usually, I just cut it like halfway on one side. Okay. And then just put some salsa down. And a few chips of your choice. It's delicious. Your family's gonna love you. Well, you have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.